Hey y'all, this is DJ the Diva and
Izzy.
and we're back at it with our baking, our holiday baking. Hope you guys are having a glorious weekend. As you can see, I've already prepared the base for chocolate chip cookies. Um, your usual white sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, egg, um, flour, baking soda, salt. Just your basic chocolate chip cookie recipe. And which my friend Izzy, my grandson, is going to do is he is going to stir in the chocolate chips. And I made double the recipe because who's just going to keep standing time and time again and just keep making one 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 batch at a time? No, I'm gonna get it over with and go ahead and do full batches. You can use that. Stand over there so they can see. And I'm gonna pour in the about a cup at a time and let him fold that in. The batter is dense and it is heavy. You want me to get you started? I think I can do it. Make sure they're able to see. I got that. Put it in the dishwater. Our hands are fully clean. Hair is tied back, out the way. Okay. So, like I said, I had to do double the recipe. So, instead of 2 cups of chips, I had to incorporate 4. Everything's just double. Fold it in. Make sure you get to the bottom. Would you like the metal spoon better? Yeah. Okay. Because it is dense. Go ahead. Use the spatula to get that off. Because look what's going on. There. Use that spoon. Now rinse this spoon off before I put it in my dishwater. I'm one of those cookers that like to clean as I go. So by the end time, when I'm done with everything, my kitchen is clean. So yeah. Let me see. Let me give it a good, excuse me y'all for a minute. Okay, you did a pretty good job. You incorporated all through, all the way down. That looks good. Yeah, it does look good. And we're going to take our spatula and get the excess off, because we're going to put this aside in the fridge and we're going to come back and bake it later. Foil. Give me the foil. Right there. Reynolds wrap. Reynolds wrap is the best, y'all. I used to hate going to the Dollar Tree, getting their brand of foil, and then it wouldn't come off the roll. There's nothing that makes me madder than during a holiday, you go to rip off a piece of foil and it won't come off the roll. Put that in the fridge. And we're going to continue on to make our peanut butter cookie base. So, you know, we're going to end that video and we're going to come back as we're making it so that you guys can see how we make it. We're going to make that video number 2. We're trying to make these videos nice, sweet, and short. And, yeah. But we're not going to, we're just making the base right now. We're coming later to make the actual cookies, which is going to take some time, but you know, I'm trying to get our baking done this weekend. Trying to get the baking done this weekend and just refrigerate it or freeze it just so we can relax and enjoy the holiday and festivities and, you know, the different concerts and plays and stuff that the different churches are having. So that is our plan. So we will come back to you with the peanut butter cookie recipe. All right. We love you to life. This is Deja, the Diva.
And Izzy.
And we will see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who?
The Lord by blessing somebody else.
Amen. Teach them young. All right. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.